Alright, this branch fell last night. It was pretty loud when it fell. It sounded like firecrackers. It hung like way out. You could see the big spot of daylight it made. That'll, you know. Alright, so since it's blocking the driveway, let me try to get that cut off. I guess I should cut it like here since it's got this other branch off of it.
Yeah.
These are hard to cut, they're dangerous.
That's kind of dangerous, I think.
Yeah, maybe I should cut it over there first.
Yeah.
So it just falls straight down instead of doing something weird.
Yeah.
Alright, let me cut the bottom off this first, so when I cut that off it doesn't do anything weird. You know what? I did that. I got that welded pretty. I'm good with that. There's no holes in it. That's hard to do, welding thin metal like that. Just put it right there. Gonna break this. That one cranked it. All right. That one got it pretty good. All right, that's fixed. And there's the spot. My mom and I did a little bit of raking, picking up leaves and twigs. So, all right. Well, this is B-roll. What this is. This is what I'm gonna do with this video. I'm gonna publish it privately, not privately, but like to a select group. And maybe I'll make it public in like years when it somehow becomes more interesting because it's vintage. I haven't been using the Ford tractor much, but it's started right up. I had to put a little air in this tire, but it's good. The Ford tractor's good. What else? Let's look at other stuff. Black 4Runner's good. White Dodge is pretty good. I need to make a lawnmower repair video because it's like I've been collecting these. Look, there's like 5 here, and I think there's a couple in there, and I think there's at least 10 lawnmowers kicking around that. I'm good at fixing them too. I was fixing them and selling them for a while, like especially these guys. Like that's an easy. Those are easy fixes no matter what. Maybe not that one. That's the old one. That one looks pretty nice. This one's like brand new here. Someone gave it to me and they bent the shaft. Only used it like a couple times, but usually I can fix those. Here's an old Tecumseh. Don't always have the best luck with those, but it's I don't know. This one looks pretty good. Is the cable good? Maybe. What else? Just told my friend they could have that boat. I think she's gonna take it. I've been meaning to make a video on this conveyor. See that? Picked that. It's been sitting there a couple months. I got it. Pretty good deal on it. Just what else?